these squirrels and chipmunks are going to be spoiled. Welcome to the review today, you guys. We are doing a review of this adorable picnic table for your outdoor critters. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So this does have to be assembled when it shows up. It comes with the screws and the nails that you need. This right here is so you can hang it on a tree if you want to, which is kind of nice. For now, we are keeping it on our porch. This little umbrella came with it, and you can put it right on top of that screw, or if you want, you can buy the corn cobs that go on the screws, and you can put this on here and screw it down. Are we doing a corn cob first, or are we going to leave the umbrella on for a little bit?
It don't matter.
Let's put the umbrella on for a little bit.
I got some food here. You can
All right.
pour some food in there.
Let's do that. This is really well made. It's actually made of wood, which is nice. So we're going to go ahead and fill this up with some food. Get in there. And now, hopefully the critters will stop by today.
Oh, yeah.
And they will check out that food, and we'll be able to get some clips of them eating from the picnic table. Oh my gosh, this is going to be the cutest thing ever. So one thing I do want to note about the umbrella is it does slide on and off of here really easily. If you wanted it to stay permanently, if you were worried about it like blowing away in the wind, you could probably just put like some silicone or something in there, and that would give it a little bit more stability. There was also, I don't know if you saw, there was 3 holes here. You could put the screw in any of the holes so that the umbrella could be anywhere. We decided to put it in the middle though. So, all right, let's see if we can catch some critters.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
He's on the picnic table. The squirrel picnic table.
You're not supposed to sit on the table part. You're supposed to sit on the chair part.
So I think our critter friends appreciate this. If you're looking for something fun, a fun way, a good photo opportunity to feed some of the critters in your area, we definitely recommend this. I love that you can either set it wherever you want or hang it on a tree. It's well made. It's wood. You could also stain it or paint it if you wanted to. You know, whatever you'd like. But I think the critters recommend this.